Active week continues here, our last full week of February. We're talking more flooding, more severe weather, and then some ice and snow concerns across the central U.S. But our warmth will continue at record levels in the eastern and southeastern portions of the country right into the weekend. All right, we've had a number of very heavy rainfall reports. Of course, all that rain going into the rivers, streams, and creeks, and they have been really starting to rise. This is actually in northern Indiana. Goshen, you can see how much water we've been dealing with as the river there close to Goshen has been exceeding its banks. A lot of the rivers on the south side of the Great Lakes are at major flood levels. And if you take a look at all the rivers actually around the nation at flood stage, we have more than 200 rivers at flood stage. And this is why over the last 72 hours, very heavy rainfall from Texas all the way up into the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes region. Some of the heaviest tallies so far in Texas exceeding 5 inches. And as we head farther north, Sweet Home, Arkansas at a little more than 8 inches now. And Illinois seeing some of the heaviest tallies approach a half a foot. And then also into Indiana, 6.5 inches there at Wheatfield. So flood watches do continue. A number of flood warnings and even flash flood warnings have been posted within these particular spots. Through 7 p.m. Saturday, we're still looking at an additional 2 to maybe 4 isolated 5-inch amounts. And again, these are excessive rainfall threats. Today, moderate levels of heavy rainfall, same on Friday, and again, even here on Saturday. So that quarter of very heavy rainfall will still be responsible for some of that heavy rain and flooding rain. We're also looking at the colder side of the storm system. Winter weather advisories being posted, at least due to the fact that we have some icing ongoing as we take you into the future. Of course, this moisture is lifting north, and we are going to be looking at a fairly decent clip of snow in a couple of different rounds in the Midwest.